Okay, what is up, boys? Welcome back. Just going to be doing another backtesting session today, and we're just going to be doing from the 20th to the 23rd. So we'll get stuck in, and we'll go to here. Just end on the 20. We'll end on the 24th. So, as you can see, Winrate's pretty good thus far. Hopefully we can get it up a bit. Again, oops. Skip up to Tuesday, 10 AM, because we are backtesting the 10AM Po3 this week. And in this video, as that is the strategy I trade. Okay, so starting on daily time frame, we do have a daily gap to come and fill, but price is clearly in a bit of an awkward situation. So it might need to go down here. Okay, so we've tapped into this 4-hour gap. I do see us potentially reversing at 10 AM, as this does look like clear high time frame, hour of 3, accumulation, manipulation into a higher time frame PD array, and now we're going to see a distribution. So with that in mind, let's just get straight into it. Any PD arrays for us to watch out for? Not really any. This 15-minute, I would like to see it get inversed. Bit of accumulation here though. So yeah, we're going to inverse this. Did not quite inverse that. This could be purely a manipulation leg. However, we do have this 5-minute formed, which I would like to see us rebalance into before I take this trade. Okay, do you respect that? Yes, we do. And I think probably be safe to take this inversion. What's price want to do then? I'll probably take this change in state of delivery however, we did not respect that gap. But clearly we just want to distribute now. So draws the high of this gap. I don't really like this trade because we are sort of catching a falling knife, you could say. But we'll go break even. Accumulation highs. But still haven't inversed this 5-minute, which is very nice. And then we'll just run it to a 2R, which is at the market maker model. So clearly we are now in the market maker buy model, sell model, buy model. So we'll target these accumulation highs. And we'll get straight into it. No SMT with AS, as I didn't even have a 5-minute gap. So just an A setup for us today. Break even already. I'll take just one contract off here. And that's the trade done. Not the best trade, 2.3R. I do usually try and go for more than that. But again, bit of a choppy PO3, but still did get it with our accumulation. And then our manipulation into a high time frame PD array, which in this case was a 5-minute fair value gap. And then we saw a distribution, and we waited for multiple entry confirmations before we entered. Change in state of delivery, 1-minute order block being respected. This 1-minute fair value gap did get inversed, but we instantly came back and pushed up. And then inverse fair value gap, change in state of delivery, and breaker structure as well. So pretty good trade there, a lot of entry confirmations. And yeah, we'll look at today. Just get our bias. So did tap into this fair value gap. So probably going to be distributing now. And again, clear higher time frame PO3, and we are now in the distribution leg. Clearly respecting bullish PD arrays and disrespecting bearish PD arrays. So 15-minute we're definitely going to watch out for us to manipulate into. Again, this 5-minute order block, we'll definitely also watch out for. So we'll start off. Oops. Okay. We're in this 15-minute now. Doesn't look like AS had a 15-minute gap, which is a bit concerning. Okay. Just tapped into absolutely nothing. And we've inversed this gap now as well. So definitely going to be a bit more cautious today. Did we tap into that 5-minute? No. Okay, we're in the order block now. Do we see any reactions? Not quite. Okay, this order block's clearly holding us quite well. And that's a good rejection I want to see. So I will take this long off this inversion and change in state of delivery with stops being just below there. And I will just take out all this low resistance liquidity with the final draw being here, as we can sort of afford to get that. And of course, break even will be there. Any further draws for us? This up here. Okay, so probably just going to be, we didn't get any SMT here, as Enki didn't actually sweep any lows, just made equal lows there. I didn't sweep this low. So just call this 0.25. So our base setup, just purely because we did inverse that gap. Okay, go break even. I'm actually just going to move stops below this protected low. We are in this rejection block though, in the 5-minute rejection block. Okay, clearly we didn't want to fully sweep out all this low resistance liquidity, but we move on to the next day, I guess. Okay, so it does look like we have flipped bullish now, but again, we are still in this range, so anything is possible. And clearly still in the distribution leg of this high time frame pair 3. And we're still not disrespecting high time frame PDRAs, bearish PDRAs, sorry, and respecting 1 hour. So with that in mind, I'll mark out this discounted gap as it is unmitigated. This one is already knocked on this door quite a few times, so if we do come down and inverse this, I probably will look for a short, potentially into here, or even into this discounted gap. So 10 AM's open, pre-accumulation, see a manipulation leg down, perfect. Okay, clearly not really a reaction that we wanted to see off that. And we've inversed the other 15-minute too. So probably going to look for a continuation trade now. Just need us to respect a bullish gap. I mean a bearish gap, sorry. Okay. We are selling in quite a discount here, but again, are there any draws for us? No, not really. Yeah, I'm going to sit this one out. I'll keep this up though, just to see if we would have hit anything. I'll just play this out. Yeah. Would have been a good trade, but again, look how many points we've already sold off since 10 AM. 210 ticks, which is quite a lot for 2019 price action. And yeah, probably just going to accumulate for the rest of the day. So I'll move on to the next day. Okay, let's hop on the daily. Yeah, so yesterday was a bearish day. It's kind of surprising as we did see a good reaction off this. Tapped into that and had a change in state of delivery above this candle here. But nothing to really watch out for. We do have SMT with ES at these lows. So So that is some bullish confirmations for us. Sorry. So yeah, we can hop on the charts. Does look like we've sold off quite a bit here, but again, we do have that bearish SMT. So I'm hoping for a reversal right now. Does look like we might get one. Does look like London came down and manipulated. Because there wasn't any news today. Yeah, no news today. That was like of any importance. Just a straight orange folder, which is just sort of pointless. So we can play this. Yeah, clearly we're just seeking higher immediately. Okay, 5-minute gap's been formed. Immediately tapped into it. At our accumulation range here. Yeah, but I'm not going to draw it out. You get what I mean. Probably should be fine to take the first inversion. And we can run this up all the way back up here. And then maybe this discounted 1-minute gap. And we'll go break even just these highs. And this will probably be an A setup. Just purely because no SMT and no time frame alignment. Gonna get stopped out before break even. Nope. And we'll trim 50% there. Did show quite a good reaction off of that 1 minute, which I'm kind of worried about, so I will move stops to there. Okay, but absolutely wrecked. Any news? No. Price just wanted to dump at exactly 11 o'clock for some reason. Okay, so with that, it does bring us to the end of today's backtesting session. Did increase the win rate by about 2%. And only really had wins today, which was good. So here are the stats for today. Here are the stats for August. I've skipped a couple of days, but averaging around 2% per week. We switched the percent on. Yeah, about 2% per week, which is pretty good. 10% last month, 7% this month already. We do have one more week to finish off. So hope you'll enjoy your bank holiday today. And yeah, so yeah.